Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, we will learn about offshore accident attorney. An offshore accident attorney is a legal professional who specializes in representing individuals involved in incidents that occur in offshore or maritime environment. These attorneys possess a deep understanding of a complex law and regulation that govern offshore incidents, making them crucial advocates for individuals seeking compensations for their injuries or losses. Offshore incident can happen in variety of settings including oil rig, drilling platform, cargo ship and fishing vessels. These environments pose unique risks and challenges due to the remote location, hazardous material, heavy machinery and unpredictable weather condition. When incidents occur, they can result in severe injuries, fatalities and extensive damage to property. The role of an offshore incident attorney is to assist individuals who have been injured for suffer losses in such incident. They provide legal guidance and support to help their client navigate the intricate legal landscape associated with offshore incident. This involves understanding and applying various laws such as Admiralty and Maritime Law, Jones Act, Longshore and Urban Workers Compensation Act, and the Outer Continental Shelf Land Act. One of the key responsibilities of an offshore incident attorney is to investigate the circumstances surrounding the incident. They work closely with their client to gather evidence, interview witnesses, and assess the extent of the injuries or damage. This information is crucial in building against the responsible party, which could be an employer, vessel owner, manufacturer, or other party whose negligence contribute to the incident. Once the investigation is complete, the offshore incident attorney will work tirelessly to purse compensations of their client. This may involve filing a personal injury or wrongful death lawsuit, negotiation settlement with insurance company, or representing their client in court. They strive to ensure their client receive to financial support they need to cover medical expenses, lost wages, rehabilitation cost and other damages resulting from the incident.